R minus 2500. Guys, I'm just solving the equation. Again, if you need me to slow down, pause me. And you guys are used to this. It froze on me. I can't extend the page anymore. So I'm going to write it over here. 6400 minus 2500 is, oh man, I think it's 3900. It's equal to 100R. And we'll have to solve. I got to get R by itself, so divide by 100. Two zeros cancel. 39 is equal to R. There it is. Got it. All right, hopefully this doesn't freeze on me. I'm going to move to the last concept here, and that's tangent segments. There we go. Tangent segments from a common external point, which that would be a common external point right there. Any guesses on what that would be? How do you fill in the blank there? What does it mean? Doesn't have to be right, but guess. Does it look like there's a relationship between those two segments? Hopefully you've already said it by now. The answer is congruent. Those two guys are going to be congruent. So if you draw tangents from that common external point, two different tangents, those have to be equal. That's the last fact for this lesson. Okay, it's the last thing you need to know. So let's do one example, and then I'll end this lesson here. All right, here we go. Oh, of course. Okay, give me a second. Disappeared on me. I'm not editing this out, by the way. Here it is. All right, so I've got the example written down. It says segment RS is tangent to circle C at S, and segment RT is tangent to circle C at T. Let me scroll down a little bit so you guys can see this a little better. Draw this thing. Again, pause it if you need to. Then it says find the value of X. All right. So this one's very easy, guys, as long as you use the theorem that we just talked about. All right, this is the last theorem here. Which was this. We have a common external point right here. Sorry. Got a common external point. And we drew tangents from that common external point. So if that's the case, if we've done that, those two have to be congruent. So now if you know those two are congruent, all you've got to do, well, if that's 28, this is 3x plus 4. In order to solve for x, all you've got to do is set those equal. Right, so it's going to be 3x plus 4. Let me just do this off to the side. It's going to equal 28. I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. Those cancel. 3x equals 24. Then divide by 3. X is going to equal 8. There you go. So x is equal to 8. Hopefully that made sense. I'm going to try. I don't know if I can do this. I don't know if I will do this. I'll see if I can put these up maybe on YouTube or maybe somewhere where you guys can access these videos. Again, this is not a promise. I don't know. I might do this. I might not. So you can watch them at home if you miss something in class. So, all right, that's it for this lesson. Thanks.